Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day. Hello, Toastmasters and honor guests. The title of my speech today is Medicine 101, Things You Need to Do to Save Your Life and the Lives of the Ones You Love. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. That's why we call it the present. Today and every day, our lives, our bodies, and our health are our most precious gifts. I don't want to scare everyone, but we as human beings are constantly under threat from evil forces from without and from within. None of us can predict the future, but our bodies can give us clues, warning signs, when a devastating disease is about to strike us. We as doctors are trained to recognize those warning signs so that we may prevent those diseases from making our patients ill. Today, I'm going to speak to you about the warning signs of the two most common life-threatening diseases in the United States. Ignoring these signs could result in a crisis of immense proportions for yourself or your loved ones. By the end of my speech today, you will know the warning signs for heart attacks and cancer. Do I have your attention?
Yes. Yes.
The human heart, constantly beating, pumping blood through our body, keeping us alive. Can't live long without a heartbeat, folks. A heart attack and sudden death can occur when the blood supply to the heart is suddenly cut off. What are the warning signs of a heart attack? The number one warning sign of a heart attack is chest pain. The pain is typically on the left side of the chest, but the pain from a heart attack can occur anywhere between the upper belly and lower jaw. The pain can be in the neck, in the arms, in the back. I've seen people who were having pain in their jaw and went to the dentist to have their teeth pulled. We found out later the pain was coming from their heart and there was nothing wrong with the teeth at all. I remember another instance when I was walking through the emergency room of my hospital, when by chance I came across my Uncle Bob in the abdominal pain clinic. "What are you doing here, Uncle Bob?" "Oh, I came to the emergency room because I had this terrible misery in my stomach. Terrible misery in my stomach." He kept saying stomach, but he was pointing to his upper belly, lower chest area. He looked pale and sweaty. I thought, I wonder if this is a heart attack and not a simple bellyache. I had the emergency room doctors do an EKG, and sure enough, he was having a massive heart attack. We rushed him up to the heart lab, where we confirmed that he had a blockage in the major artery of his heart. A blockage we call the widowmaker. We opened up the blockage with a balloon, and he did fine. I always wonder what would have happened if I hadn't been there by chance at the right place at the right time to keep his wife from being a widow. The pain of a heart attack has been described as a pressure, a tightness, a burning, an elephant sitting on the chest, or a misery like my Uncle Bob. Up to 1 out of 4 people with heart attacks don't have any pain at all. These people with silent heart attacks may feel dizzy, sweaty, short of breath, nauseous. A rare sign of a heart attack is uncontrolled burping. warning signs of a heart attack to save your life and the lives of the ones you love. Cancer. Just hearing the word can have a terrifying effect on the bravest of us all. Many cancers can be controlled or cured. The key to nipping cancer in the bud is early detection, recognizing the early warning signs and symptoms. One of the main warning signs of cancer is unexplained weight loss. We've seen people who have been overweight or been trying to lose weight for years, then suddenly they lose weight without trying. Anyone with unexplained weight loss should have an urgent evaluation for cancer. The other way I remember the warning signs of cancer is by thinking about the body outside, inward, and top to bottom. Outside, inward means examining the outside of your body, your skin, and then with your fingertips feeling inward around your body for lumps and bumps. When examining your skin, you want to identify any moles that are changing in size, shape, or color. You want to look for any sores or ulcers that are not healing. If you see any of these findings, you need to see a dermatologist to be examined for skin cancer. When feeling around your body for lumps and bumps, you should pay special attention to your neck, armpits, and groin. These are common locations for lymph node cancers. Women should pay attention to the breast and men to the testicle. The way I remember the other warning signs of cancer is by thinking about the body from top to bottom. I start at the mouth and then go to the throat and lungs. Persistent hoarseness or cough could be signs of throat or lung cancer. Going back to the mouth, I go to the esophagus, stomach, and intestines. Difficulty swallowing, persistent indigestion, or abdominal pain could be signs of esophagus, stomach, or intestinal cancer. Vomiting or coughing up blood is a very worrisome sign of cancer. Continuing down the body, I look for changes in bowel or bladder habits. Persistent constipation or difficulty urinating could be signs of colon or prostate cancer. If you see any blood in your urine or stool, you need to seek immediate medical attention. Remember the warning signs of cancer outside, inward, and top to bottom to save your life and the lives of the ones you love. In summary, heart disease and cancer are the two most common causes of death in the United States. Remembering the warning signs for these diseases could save your life and the lives of the ones you love. Be concerned if you have persistent pain in your chest or anywhere between your upper belly or lower jaw. Be concerned about any unexplained dizziness, sweating, shortness of breath, nausea. Examine the outside of your body with your eyes and inwardly with your fingers. Be concerned about any persistent nagging symptoms in your body from top to bottom. If you see any blood coming out of your body, you don't have to be a doctor to know that's not a good sign. Our lives, our bodies, and our health are our most precious gifts, blessings. Use your good sense to remember the warning signs of heart disease and cancer to save your life and the lives of the ones you love. Thank you, Toastmasters.